Welcome to English Vinglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Interesting story for learning English. Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled in the countryside, there lived a curious young girl named Emily. Emily had a deep fascination for learning new things, especially the English language. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through the village, Emily stumbled upon a dusty old book lying on the roadside. Intrigued, she picked it up and wiped away the dust. To her surprise, it was a book filled with captivating English stories. Excitedly, Emily decided to take the book home with her. Every day, after completing her chores, Emily would sit by the window in her cozy room and immerse herself in the enchanting world of English stories. She started with simple tales about animals and nature, gradually advancing to more complex stories about brave heroes and magical adventures. As she read, Emily would underline unfamiliar words and expressions. Eager to expand her vocabulary, she would then ask her family members for help with pronunciation and meanings, and they were always happy to assist her. One evening, while engrossed in a story, courageous princess who saved her kingdom from an evil sorcerer, Emily encountered a word she did not know, fearless, determined to understand its meaning. She looked it up in her dictionary and learned that it meant brave and unafraid. Excited to add this new word to her vocabulary, Emily proudly wrote it down in her notebook. With each passing day, Emily's English skills improved. She could now read and understand more intricate stories, and she even started conversing in English with the travelers who passed through the village. One day, during the festive celebration in the village square, Emily spotted a group of English speaking tourists. Remembering her passion for learning English, she eagerly approached them and struck up a conversation. To her delight, she found that she could communicate with them quite effectively. Impressed by Emily's determination and language skills, the tourists invited her to join them on their travels. Excited for a new adventure, Emily bid farewell to her village and embarked on a journey to explore the world beyond. As she traveled to distant lands, encountering diverse cultures and making friends from around the world, Emily realized that her love for learning English had opened up endless opportunities for her. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.